What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Kia Sorento. We're going to reset this service interval on this car today. Well, want to let you know right from the beginning that this car comes in a couple of different trim levels and the resets will be different, okay? So if your radio looks like this one here, this is the more basic radio. This is what we're working with today. If you have the one with the touchscreen and stuff like that, that has like a lot of purple and stuff like that on there, the better radio, you reset it on the radio. This car here, we do it here on the dash, okay? You're gonna use the menu button that you have right here on the cluster. Hit menu, and we'll go in here, and you're gonna go to user settings, okay? And once you're in user settings, you're gonna go down and go to service interval, okay? And then if you, the button that you use to choose up and down, if you press it in, that's okay, or enter. And right now it says service in 7,000 miles and so many days. To reset it or get in the reset mode, we're just gonna press and hold down okay. And it should ask us if we want to reset distance and time. It does right now. And just go ahead and press okay again. And it'll reset, okay? Now we're set at 8,000 and then 365. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Drop me a like, leave me a comment. See you again in the next video. If you need the other reset for the higher end radio or the higher end trim model, I have it on the channel, so go check it out.